Welcome to the lecture series, and today's topic is progression. Look, a question is, a person opened saving account with rupees 1000 and interest 5%. Given that no withdrawals are made, when will there be rupees 5200 in the account after interest is added? Now look at the question. The initial amount is what? 1000 rupees, right? So after 1 year, if it is accumulated at an interest of 5%, so what will be T1, that is the accumulated value? T1 will be this multiplied by 1.05, that is equivalent to 1050. Similarly, in what will be T2? T2 would be 1000 multiplied by 1.05 accumulated amount, no? Then this will be the year after 1 year. What will be the value after second year? Multiplying it with another 1.05 power. So it means that the value would be 1000 1.05 power 2. So if I look at Tn, that is the final value, so it would be 1000 multiplied by 1.05 power n minus 1, and this is what? This is basically a geometric progression. Why it is a geometric progression? Because the difference is the same. The common ratio, this is the common ratio, right? Common ratio is same. How you can test it further? You can do it like, if I want to do it, second term divided by first term. So what is the second term? 1000 into 1.05 square divided by 1000 into 1.05. So our final value is 1.05. That is the ratio. Okay. So now the question is asking that when will be the amount greater than 5200, right? So making the equation, our final value was coming 1000 into 1.05 power n minus 1. It should be greater than 5200, right? This 2, this is cancelled, right? Now it becomes 10, so it becomes 5.2, 1.05 power n minus 1. So n minus 1 into log 1.05 is greater than log 5.2. Solving it further, n minus 1 is greater than log 5.2 divided by log 1.05. Okay, I hope that you guys have understood this part. So we are getting a final value. After taking the logs, we are getting a final value, that is n is greater than 34.8. It means what? It means that at the end of the 35th year, after 35 years, the value would be greater than 5200. I hope that you guys have understood this question. This is a very tricky question, that's why we have done it like this. This is the end of this session.